Bow window installation in Kendall, Florida, is a popular choice for homeowners looking to enhance their home's curb appeal and functionality. With a variety of bow window styles Kendall available, residents can choose from traditional to contemporary designs that suit their architectural preferences. Bow window installation services Kendall offer expert guidance to ensure that each installation is seamless and meets the highest standards of quality and durability. Bow windows Kendall are an excellent addition to any home. Custom bow windows Kendall in Kendall, Florida, provide a unique opportunity for homeowners to personalize their living spaces. These custom designs allow for flexibility in bow window dimensions Kendall, ensuring a perfect fit for any room. Bow window contractors Kendall work closely with clients to create bespoke solutions that reflect individual tastes and enhance the overall aesthetics of the home. Energy-efficient bow windows Kendall in Kendall are an excellent investment for those looking to reduce energy costs and improve home comfort. These windows are designed with advanced materials and technologies that minimize heat transfer, keeping homes cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Bow window experts Kendall, Florida can provide detailed information on the benefits of energy-efficient bow windows Kendall and help homeowners select the best options for their needs. Bow window installation services Kendall are essential for maintaining the longevity and performance of these beautiful architectural features. Whether dealing with damaged bow window glass Kendall or worn-out bow window frames Kendall, professional installation services ensure that windows remain functional and visually appealing. Bow window maintenance Kendall is crucial for preventing issues and extending the life of the bow windows Kendall. Bow window replacement Kendall, Florida is a practical solution for outdated or damaged windows. Replacing old windows with new, energy-efficient models can significantly enhance a home's value and aesthetic appeal. Bow window replacement services Kendall offer a range of options to suit different budgets and design preferences, ensuring that every homeowner can find the perfect solution. Upgrading to modern bow windows Kendall ensures lasting satisfaction. Bow window design services Kendall provide expert advice on creating stunning window arrangements that complement any home style. From selecting the right bow window materials Kendall to choosing the perfect bow window features Kendall, these services help homeowners achieve their desired look. Bow window aesthetics Kendall are enhanced by thoughtful design choices that highlight the unique characteristics of each bow window Kendall. Bow window upgrades Kendall, Florida offer homeowners the chance to improve their existing windows with modern features and enhancements. Upgrades can include new bow window glass Kendall, advanced locking mechanisms, and improved insulation. Bow window enhancements Kendall, Florida not only boost the functionality of the windows but also add to the overall appeal of the home. Investing in enhanced bow windows Kendall is a smart choice. Bow window installation in Kendall, Florida is a popular choice for homeowners looking to enhance their home's curb appeal and functionality. With a variety of bow window styles Kendall available, residents can choose from traditional to contemporary designs that suit their architectural preferences. Bow window installation services Kendall ensure that each window is fitted perfectly, providing both aesthetic appeal and energy efficiency. Quality bow windows Kendall deliver lasting benefits. Custom bow windows Kendall in Kendall, Florida, offer homeowners the opportunity to personalize their window designs to match their unique tastes and home styles. These custom bow windows Kendall can be tailored in terms of dimensions, materials, and finishes, ensuring a perfect fit for any room. Bow window experts Kendall, Florida work closely with clients to create bespoke solutions that enhance both the interior and exterior of their homes. Energy-efficient bow windows Kendall in Kendall are an excellent investment for those looking to reduce energy costs while maintaining a comfortable indoor environment. These windows are designed with advanced materials and technologies that minimize heat transfer, keeping homes cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Bow window contractors Kendall can provide detailed information on the energy-saving benefits of bow windows Kendall. Bow window installation services Kendall are essential for maintaining the longevity and performance of your windows. Whether dealing with broken glass, damaged frames, or faulty seals, professional bow window installation Kendall ensures that your windows remain in top condition. Bow window maintenance Kendall includes regular inspections and timely installations to prevent more significant issues down the line. Bow window replacement Kendall, Florida is a practical solution for outdated or damaged windows that no longer meet your needs. Replacing old windows with new, energy-efficient models can significantly improve your home's energy efficiency and aesthetic appeal. Bow window replacement services Kendall offer a wide range of options to suit any budget and style preference, ensuring satisfaction with your upgraded bow windows Kendall. Bow window design services Kendall provide homeowners with expert guidance on selecting the perfect window style for their home. From choosing the right materials to deciding on the ideal dimensions, bow window design experts Kendall, Florida ensure that every detail is considered. This attention to detail results in a cohesive and visually appealing bow window Kendall installation. Bow window styles Kendall, Florida range from classic to modern, offering something for every taste. Homeowners can choose from a variety of materials, including wood, vinyl, and aluminum, each offering unique benefits and aesthetics. Bow window styles Kendall, Florida cater to diverse architectural preferences, ensuring a harmonious integration with existing home designs. Bow windows Kendall add timeless elegance to any property.